Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing and trying on the products for November 2019's GLITZGLAMBOX, and unfortunately in October I ran out of time to do my unboxing and try on of those products. It's a little bit more affordable. You do get some less products and not as high of a value box, but I like that they do this feature called Double the Glam. In October's box last month, which was actually my first time being on the monthly subscription, I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, a lip product, lashes, and glitter. And then for this month, for November, they had a double or triple the glam and you could get more lip glosses. But I figured since I really don't use lip glosses, I decided not to do a double or triple the glam this month. So I just have the standard box. If you're interested in seeing what I received in my GLITZGLAM box for November 2019, definitely keep on watching. Before I jump in, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel before clicking off this video. I post new videos Monday through Friday of subscription unboxings, beauty hauls, first impressions, eyeshadow palette reviews, and more. Also, I hope you are watching during the month of November because I have my massive Thanksgiving giveaway currently open right now. I will leave a link in the cards as well as the description to check out after watching this video. And ta-da! Has a card of the products that we receive, and everything is nice and wrapped. And this is what everything looks like. We got 4 products. This is our glitter, woo, and it's gone. Our gloss, lashes, and a palette. I actually decided to start this subscription box mainly for lashes. I know, right? Who am I? But I've actually really been enjoying wearing lashes because of this Duo Quick Set Strip Adhesive that dries down almost instantly, and it helps me apply my lashes because I struggle. I've been wanting to build my lash collection up a little bit, and I really enjoy the different products that GLITZGLAM has featured. That was how I got my Glam Light Veggies palette that I love so much, and they've just been featuring some more indier brands as well. It's really fun for me. And I know Slay Glam Box recently just launched a lash subscription as well. It's $15 a month and you get like 5 pairs of lashes, which is almost lash overkill for me. So I feel like GLITZGLAM offers a little bit more for me. I don't really use the glitter. I either give it to a friend or set it aside for a giveaway. The first product is the Autumn Nights palette, and this retails for $24. This is by the brand Yaz Glitters. I don't think I've used anything by Yaz Glitters. Ooh, that's pretty. It's very neutral with some fun pops of color, but everything has an autumn name to each shade. We'll swatch this palette for the try-on portion. Like I said, I don't really know anything about this brand. I don't know the quality, so we will definitely get a first impressions of how these shades perform. If you really enjoy neutrals, or if you are wanting to experiment with color, they have some great pops like Pine, Crisp Air, and Merlot. The second product is the Diamond Glitter by GLITZGLAMBOX, and this retails for $4.99. It actually says on the card that this is eye, lip, skin, nail safe. I did not realize glitters could be eye safe. I don't think I would get a lot of use out of this. Okay, I actually might use this. I don't know. Griffin would say keep it because it's Carolina Hurricanes red. He has me corrupt with hockey. I found myself in a rabbit hole reading about the teams, the players. I am getting quite obsessed. It's like the Joker 2.0. He could not get me into Clemson, but he definitely got me into hockey. And since we aren't local to Pennsylvania, I don't always get to watch Penguin games. Since we are local to the Carolina Hurricanes, he's always watching the games. I pretend that I'm editing during the games, but really I am watching. They have definitely grown on me. So if I throw in some hockey references, or if I keep wearing my Penguins hoodie, I also have a Canes hoodie coming, and that's all I keep wearing. It's because I am obsessed. This is like the second thing Griffin has really gotten me into, one being Minecraft and the other being hockey. The second product is the Star Gloss by Galactic, and this retails for $18. I got the shade Orange Twist. Oh, F. Why did I get orange? Is it really that orange? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, closing that back. This is being set aside for a giveaway because I don't do orange. The box is slightly ripped, ignore that. But I have a Galactic lipstick that I could use for this video. I really wish I received a pink gloss to go with my double-ended lipstick, but it's okay. It's going to you guys. Although it doesn't work out for me, I'm glad that it will be going to a loving home so that way it doesn't collect dust in my collection. And then the last product is the Flower Lashes Secret Garden 3D Fox Mink Lashes, and this retails for $4.99. I'm sure it's pronounced faux mink eyelashes, but you know what? I want to say fox. These are kind of like in the middle of slightly dramatic and natural. So we are going to test these out. I know, right? Lashes. So if you watch any of like my older videos that I've received lashes in, I look terrified like a deer in headlights of, oh crap, I have lashes. But not today. We are having changes. It's funny how your makeup preferences and items that you like change over time. I am happy with the products I received. Mainly the lashes and the palette. If it's a box and you really want a high value item, this might not be the one for you. But if you're wanting to grow your glitter or lash collection, I would recommend checking this out. Let's try the palette and these lashes on. And I'm taking my Wonder Beauty micro pencil to fill in my messy brows. Hopefully my camera isn't gonna pick up my stomach growling. And then set the brows with the ABH Clear Brow Gel. Running so low on this, which makes me sad. I need Ulta to put these in one of those free gift with purchases. And I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape to prime. I have very little ABH, so I'm just trying to save that for a dedicated palette review. I was so excited to jump into the look, so let me rewind and do some swatches. I'm just gonna do some swatches on the back of my hand because my sleeve doesn't roll up that well. Here we go with the first row. Those are gorgeous. Hayride, Cinnamon, Pine, Timber. Just a quick note of Hayride, Cinnamon, and Timber, super creamy, and then Pine was super dry. Those are super nice swatches and still a lot of pigment. So it's weird because Pine felt creamy as it swatched, but it felt very dry. Second row. Marshmallow, Cider, Bonfire, Frosted Berry. Everything on the middle row felt super smooth. Oh, wow. I'm really impressed with this palette. Everything is swatching super nice. I hope that translates on the eyes. And the last row. Just a quick note of the shade Flannel. It felt dry like how the green shade Pine did, but the other shades felt creamy. Pumpkin Patch, Flannel, Merlot, Crisp Air. I am living for these names. And this is the bottom row swatch. I don't know if my bone was the reason why Crisp Air is a little wonky, but each shade nonetheless had pigment all the way through. Everything swatched really creamy despite if it felt dry. I'm gonna go back in with Crisp Air. There is some kickback. I'm going to take it right here. Kind of like on the lower part of my crease where my lid and crease meet. Super pigmented right off the bat. It's blending out quite nice too. Such a pretty shade. I hope it doesn't become a little patchy because it seems like a color that might be more. Left lash. This band isn't that stiff and it's not that curved, so I'm really having issues laying the lash down on my eye. I barely was able to get the right lash on. So far, I'm not like the biggest fan. And then I'm gonna top it off with my Galactic liquid lipstick in the shade Allure. Quickly recap the products that I tried. I loved this palette. I think that this eye look is different for me because it's not like the standard looks I usually do. I normally put like a crease shade, an outer V and a lid shade, or I'll do it in a halo look. But it was like a very layered cut crease because we have like the Merlot, Crisp Air, and then Cider. I definitely want to play around more with this palette. Everything blended out really nice. And I kind of want to see how my Urban Decay Potion Primer would work out for some of these shades like Marshmallow, Cider, and Frostberry, just all over the lid. Put some liner, mascara on, and call it a day. And then the lashes were not my favorite. I actually ran into a lot of issues. I felt like the band wasn't that sturdy compared to some of the other lashes that I've tried before. I thought the band was actually kind of short and already pre-trimmed in a way. I think I would have liked it to be a little longer and then trim as needed. So I did have some issues on placement of where I did want to put on the lashes, but I still plan on trying the glitter at some point, and then the gloss will be set aside from you guys. If you received the Glitz Glam Box for November, let me know what products you got. Were there any other variations? Did you enjoy the products that you received? What were your favorites and not your favorites? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway! Bye!